Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to screen capture your entire screen or film your screen or desktop. Okay. All you want to is just open the link in the description that I left below. Or you can just go on Google. Okay, go on Google. You just type Google. Oh, go! I typed wrong. Sorry, bros. I typed wrong, very wrong. Let me just google.com. Why does it delete? What? Okay, oh, Google. Then you type Microsoft Encoder 4. That is what you need. Oh, sorry, typed it wrong. Encoder 4. No Pro, nothing, just 4. Okay, this is the thing that you will use to screen capture your entire screen. Okay, you click there and enter. You're going to open the first one. Remember, the first one. There it is, the official website of Microsoft. But you can see it. The name is Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. Okay, you're going to change your language if you want, but I'm going to stay on English. Okay, if you want to download it, you just go simply on this red button that is typed on it, download. You click download, but I've already downloaded, and you will go to this and it'll say thank you for downloading. Okay, this is where you cancel it because I already have it downloaded. And if your download doesn't start in 30 seconds, you just click here. Simply click here. Okay, we will put this down, and when you're done with the download, you just simply go and you have it here, and it's named Microsoft Expression Encoder 4. If you want, you will drag it to your like a shortcut to your desktop, or if you like a short for desktop. But the most important thing for screen capturing your entire screen is the Microsoft Expression Encoder for screen capture. You will drag it also if you want here. Okay, you will open it, and you will just simply click on it. I don't know what's the problem. When you click on it, it will open like a little space here, this big, and it will have the option to record, for the sound, for video, or everything else. But remember, the video can at least belong 10 minutes. I don't know why, but 10 minute video. You can have to only just play it in parts. And pretty much that's all. You can follow me on Facebook, Skype, or Twitter. And make sure to like, comment, or subscribe to my channel or anything else you want. As you can see, I'm actually filming with the Microsoft Encoder. And we will see you in the next episode.